This is more... That did not happen. Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to today's video. Today I am not wearing makeup, as you can see. I simply just didn't feel like wearing makeup because I'm just quite busy because I'm going on holiday Monday and this is the last day to film and edit. And I just want to show you what makeup I will bring to south of France. It's all in this makeup bag right here. I'm actually surprised at myself that I didn't overpack my makeup. Well, I probably still will bring way too much makeup. I do like to change up my makeup, so with some things I bring two things. So 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, yada yada yada. But anyway, I'm going to start. We'll bring 2 primers with me. Not sure why. Well, I probably know why. Because this is a pore filling primer and this is a mattifying primer. And I need both. I'm an oily skin girl and I'm a pore girl, as in pores. So I have the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit and the Huda Beauty Mattifying Primer. This primer smells so nice. Just want to say it. And also, well, this is not a prime, this is more of a priming or setting spray, and this is the NYX Matte Finish Spray. I want everything to be matte on my face in the summer, especially when it's 28 degrees with the sun out the entire day. Otherwise, makeup will melt off my face. So that, and then for foundation, I will be bringing one foundation, and it is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is more tan than my actual skin tone right now, but I will be sunbathing and get more tan, so this will suit me. I also did my nails for the first time with like gel. These are my own nails because I want to get them done for the holiday, and I know myself, if I polish my nails it will get everywhere. It will get I don't know how you say that. When you sleep and you wake up, even though it's been 4 hours since you painted your nails, there's still like these lines in your nails or in your nail polish. Then for concealer, I also will bring one concealer, and it is the Boying Cakeless Concealer by Benefit. I really like this. I will bring 2 setting powders. The first one is the KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder. This is a travel size one, which is very nice if you're traveling like I will be doing. And I will be bringing the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I never use this powder, so this will be the first time that I will use it. So I'm curious how it will perform. Then after powder, I normally do my brows. And I will be bringing 2 brow products. The first one is the Gimme Brow by Benefit in shade number 3. And the next product is by Dior, and it's the Dior Show All Day Brow Ink. And this is in the shade 11. I really love this. This kind of looks weird for application, but your brows look so natural. I didn't really bring eyeshadow because I am really convinced that when I go to a Sephora, because we don't have a Sephora here in the Netherlands, I will be buying a eyeshadow palette for sure. I already can feel it. I will probably buy a full face of makeup, but I also will be bringing the At First Sight Eye and Cheek palette by NARS. This palette is really old. I probably should throw it away because this was one of my first makeup items. I bought it back in 2014, so this is 6 years old. I probably should get rid of it, but I don't want to. They still perform pretty well. And I use the Laguna bronzer so much, and these two eyeshadow shades. And the blush is in the shade Deep Throat, which I actually really like this color, but it has shimmers in it, so I also bought a alternative, and I also will bring an alternative. That is a matte bronzer, and that did not happen. And that is the NARS Amazon Clay 12-hour blush in the shade Harmony. This is also a very cute travel size blush, which, as you know, is great for traveling. So I wanted to bring this one with me. And another bronzer, which is also a mini, is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. As you can see, I love this bronzer as well, since I hit pen on it. Oh no, highlighter. Oh, it's here. And I also will be bringing a highlighter, and this is the Douglas highlighting powder in 3 Radiant Bronze, which is this gorgeous highlighter. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this shade looks so pretty on the skin. So I will be bringing that. And then a mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara. I currently don't own a waterproof mascara. Oh, I do. I own the Kiko one, but I don't like that mascara as much as I like this one. This is the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. You see me use this mascara in multiple videos, so I will be bringing that. And if I'm feeling bougie, or I want more to my lashes in the evening, if we're going to dinner or going to drink something, I also will bring a set of Ardell Wispies, which has a mini duo glue and a thingy to press them on. So this in entire kit, which is also very handy. And then the lip products. I will bring 5 lip products with me. And I will probably end up using only 1 or 2. So I will bring the Sephora collection cream lip stain in the color 3. I'm not sure what the name is because it doesn't say it on the packaging, but it is a pink red or red pink color, which I personally think goes really well when you're wearing light blue. And I am bringing a light blue dress with me. Then I also have the Fancy Beauty Uncensored Stunna Lip Paint, which is a classic red. I absolutely love this one. I also will be bringing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Feather Liquid Lip in Anna Nico, which is a red orange color. I will be bringing, the first one is a liquid matte. This is from Huda Beauty in the shade Sweetheart. I don't believe this is in her collection. This was a limited, I believe this was a limited edition one, but I really hope she will put it in her collection, because this is my perfect nude color. And I will also bring, and the last product I will bring is the Dior Lip Glow Oil in the shade Rosewood, I believe. At least it says 012. That is all the makeup I will bring with me. I feel like I did a pretty good job with picking out makeup, because I will be going to Sephora and buy tons of makeup. Since we don't have one here in the Netherlands, like I said before, I feel like I did quite a good job with the makeup I'm going to bring. It's probably still too much, but I like to have options That was the word I was looking for before. Options. So that completes this video. Let me know if you are going on holiday soon, or if you're going on holiday in your own country or not on holiday at all. I hope you enjoyed watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. You can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and hopefully I will see you next week. Bye!